Good morning, children. So a, b, c are positive integers. If a cube plus b square is equal to 31 and a square plus b cube is equal to 17, find a and b value. So logical and critical question, Olympiad questions will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Your subscription is very important. So given what is given, a cube plus b square is equal to 31 and a square plus b cube is equal to 70 now. So first what we will do, we will subtract now. This is 1 and we will take this as 2. First we will do 1 minus 2. This is the logic step we are having in this problem, 1 minus 2. So what will get here, if you subtract a cube minus b cube plus b square minus a square will get that is equal to 31 minus 17. 31 minus 17 So here what will get here, a cube minus b cube, here I am taking minus common, a square minus b square is equal to 40 now. So here a cube minus b cube formula, a cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square and next a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to 14. So here you can take a minus b common. A minus b common, if you take what will get here, a square plus ab plus b square. Directly I am writing minus a minus b is equal to 14. So here you can write the value of a minus b, the difference of a and b, you can take it as 1 So this you can write it as 1 into 14, because here we are having the product. So a minus b is equal to 1 and a square plus ab plus b square minus a minus b is equal to 14 we are taking. So here you can write a is equal to 1 plus b. This is the second step, logical step we are using here. A is equal to 1 plus b. So here you can substitute the values. In this second one you can substitute here 1 plus b. In the place of a I am writing 1 plus b plus 1 plus b into b plus b square minus of 1 plus b minus b is equal to 40 now. So here what will get here, here 1 plus a plus b whole square 1 plus 2b plus b square plus here b plus b square plus b square minus 1 minus b is equal to 14. So here you can cancel positive negative values. So here b, 2b will get cancelled. So what is left here, 3b square plus b minus 14 equal to 0. So here you can write factors 3b square plus 7b minus 6b minus 14 equal to 0. So here you can take b common, b into 3b plus 7 minus 2 into 3b plus 7 is equal to 0. So here what will get 3b plus 7 equal to into b minus 2 equal to 0. So 3b plus 7 equal to 0 or b is equal to 2. So here already have taken our a, b, c are positive integers. So here you are taking b value 2. So here what will get b value minus 7 by 3. This is not an integer. So here if you replace this b value here, what will get a value is 1 plus 2, a value will get 3. Now the value of a comma b. The value of a comma b is 3 comma 2. I hope you like the video. So those who are new, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Ian CG Max Olympiad.